Nyajong and welcome to Hmong Culture Camp's Gunda Tache series. Gulumbe Xibfwb Nkauj Zoo, and today we'll be reading the book Kuv Ua Tau. Can you say it with me? Kuv Ua Tau. Good. That means I can do it in Hmong. This book was written by Mai Kou Thao and illustrated by Stephanie Ritter. Let's get started. All right, her friends ask, Nyajong Kolumbe Hulika. They say, hello, what is your name? Gulumbe Yang Golu. My name is Golu. And her friends ask, Golu, Gotia Shiamboli no Botao. Can you jump this high? Do you think she can jump that high on this Chinese jump rope? Let's see. Gu Tia Dao. That means I can jump. Can you say it with me? Gu Tia Dao. Look at that. Now her friends ask, Go Hung Go Bo Dao. They said, can you sing, Golu? And she says, Kuv Ua Tau. I can sing. Uh-oh, what do you think Golu will do next? Her friends ask, Gon Yen Dong Bo Tau. Can you climb a tree? What do you think, guys? Do you think Golu can climb this huge tree? Gun Ye Dao. So she says, I can climb it. So she has steps to go up on her tree house. Go Lo De Li Tun Je Potao. Can you swim like a fish? Let's all try to swim like a fish, guys. So put your hands together like this and try to swim like a fish. Good. Kuv Ua Lo De Tau. I can swim. Ga Yali Tu Nong Bo Tau. Can you fly like a bird? Uh-oh, do you think Golu can fly like a bird? Let's see. Gu Ya Tau. She says, I can fly. And guess how she's flying? Is that an airplane? Go Jai Ning Bo Tau. Can you ride a horse? Do you guys think Golu can ride a horse? Uh-oh, what do you think happened to Golu right here? She said, Hoyo, Kapo Olija. Oh no, are you okay? Kuchi Olija. She says, I'm okay. She's dusting her arms off. She says, Kutsa Meme. I may be small. And I might fall. Gu Ying Ua Tau. But I can still do it. So she tried again. She went back on the horse. And now she's riding the horse. Go Ying Ua Tau Tia. And she says, you can do it too. The end. Can you guys tell me all the things that Golu was able to do? Let's go back and look. Golu was able to jump. Gu Tia Tau. Golu can sing. Kuv Ua Tau. Golu can climb. She says Gun Ye Tau. She can swim. Kuv Ua Lo De Tau. She can fly like a bird. Gu Ya Tau. And last but not least, she can ride a horse. So Gu Jai Tau. Good. All right, if you like the book, please like and share with your friends and family. And we'll see you guys soon. Shinji Dua.